Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Tiffany & Co. model TF4148 in color code 8001/3B. It's a black and gold color frame. It has a gold detailing in the front of the frame. The lenses are a brown gradient color and has a Tiffany & Co. logo engraved in the top left lens. The temples have a Tiffany & Co. logo in gold. And the temple tip over here, we have a gold T logo. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy, and this is the serial number. This is the other side of the temple, and it has a gold T logo as well at the tip of the temple, and a gold Tiffany & Co. logo. These frames are RXable. Up here we have a Tiffany & Co. gift box in Tiffany blue, a Tiffany & Co. case, a cleaning cloth, an authenticity card, and your manufacturer booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.